Those tiny black dots around a windshield look decorative, but they are part of a carefully engineered system that helps the glass stay bonded, protected, and visually clean. The solid black border is called the frit. It is a ceramic enamel printed onto the glass and baked in during manufacturing, so it becomes a permanent part of the windshield. Its most important job is to protect the adhesive underneath. Modern windshields are usually bonded directly to the vehicle with strong urethane adhesive. Ultraviolet light can weaken that bond over time, so the opaque black frit acts like a sunscreen covering the adhesive line. The frit also creates a suitable surface for the bonding system and hides the adhesive, metal edge, and mounting area from view. Think of it like the dark frame around a picture. It covers the working parts while giving the visible glass a finished edge. But why does the solid band fade into dots instead of ending suddenly? The dotted section is called a dot matrix, or halftone pattern. During manufacturing, the black ceramic area absorbs heat differently from clear glass. A sudden border between dark and clear sections could encourage uneven heating and optical distortion near the edge. The gradually shrinking dots create a smoother transition. Imagine walking down a staircase instead of stepping off a cliff. The solid black band is the top step, the clear glass is the floor, and the dots form the smaller steps between them. The real mechanism is not that the dots cool the windshield during everyday driving. They help manage the transition between differently treated areas, especially while the glass is heated and shaped. This corrects a common exaggeration. Without the dots, a windshield would not automatically shatter every time it sat in sunlight. The greater concern is manufacturing quality, optical distortion, and creating a controlled transition from the opaque ceramic band to transparent glass. The fading pattern also makes the border look less harsh. From inside the vehicle, your eye sees a gradual change instead of a thick black line ending abruptly. You may notice extra dots behind the rearview mirror. That area can reduce glare in the small gap the sun visors do not fully cover, while also hiding mirror mounts, sensors, cameras, or adhesive, so the black band and the dots do related but different jobs. The solid frit protects and conceals the adhesive zone. The fading dots soften the thermal, optical, and visual transition into clear glass. The next time you see them, remember, they are not printed decoration. They are a permanent ceramic detail quietly supporting the windshield's bond, appearance, and optical quality.